Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So in this video, I will be discussing about the symbolism in the play Caretaker by Harold Pinter. So let's start. So in this play, the symbolism lies in the characters. So the first character is Davis, but before that, we just discuss it generally, that the whole character, that these three characters, Mick, Ashton and Davis, comes to portray the human condition. They are symbol or reflections of common problem in modern age. In other words, problems or ideas such as loss of security in such wide, the immortal struggle for survival and identity assertion, the shadow of unfulfilled illusion, the aimlessness of life and the difficulty of communication are all presented by the three characters in the play. So basically, Davies is an old tramp who represents the outsider, who threatens to disturb the habitual existence in the brothers' room. So Davies clearly become a real reflection of decay of morality. In such a mess, first he entered the room as an old tramp who needs Ashton help, but with the first chance of betrayal, he is ready to betray Ashton for no clear reasons except the lack of moral goodness. Davies stands for moral sterility in the modern age, in which he is emptied for all kinds of morality and faithfulness. That is to say, he is a real production of such a mess and harshness. Davies is homeless, rootless and jobless. He seeks refuge, even if a temporary one. In other words, Davies begins to bite the hand that feeds him. So here, Davies is a symbol of the idea of villainy or villainous. He is a villain in its abstract sense. He is the archetypal figure of villainy. Thus, in this contract, they embody of the relationship of a victim, Ashton, and his victimizer, Davies. So he is basically the symbol of villain in this story. So the two brothers basically symbolizes Ashton and Mick ask Davies to be their caretaker. The two need someone to take care of them, especially with the absence of female figure and authority. So here the mother figure is absent. The two brothers expresses their needs for someone who take care of them instead of the mother figure who is absent. In the other world, the caretaker here suggests a sort of substitute for the mother figure regardless of the very idea of sex which is absent. Quite unexpectedly, the idea of sympathy and care usually associated with females is turned upside down. Moreover, the mother figure is another symbol of villainy or villain. In other words, Ashton is betrayed twice. First, he was betrayed by his mother in the past when she refused to help him. Actually, she is the source of all his suffering now and in the past when she gave the permission to the doctor to subject Ashton to a shock treatment. So Davies turns against the person who helped him and offered him a place in his world. So basically, they both here, the mother figure and Davies are both reflections of villainy, or they are the villain of the story, and cruelty, in which the concept of gender is absent. That is to say that no matter what gender is, cruelty and villainy are equally expected. So basically, the other two brothers, they basically represents the unfulfilled dream as well. While we can say that all of these three characters represents the unfulfilled dream. The mother figure is absent there, so they need help. Say they represents the unfulfilled dream. Basically, Davies want to make shed in the garden, while the Ashton wants to make shed in the garden. Davies have no identity paper, while Mick wants to be rich. So all of the characters have unfulfilled dream, while these two brothers who need care from someone, so they basically wants, especially Ashton wants Davies to help him in this. So the last one is Buddha. Buddha is basically towards the end of the play, Mick destroys the figure of the Buddha against the gas stove, which has implicitly become associated with Davies. So Ashton does not defend his proteage, but exclude him by directing a faint smile at his brother, confirming their unity. In spite of Davy's attempt to provoke disloyalty from one another of his brothers, their relationship remains intact and it is he who is ejected. Buddha is a symbol of calm and serenity. When it is broken, the organization and order is also broken. The breaking of it is a symbol of man's everlasting struggle with the universe, where human beings wish to order and structure everything, while the universe is constantly moving towards emptiness and chaos. The idea is reflected in the play's costume and household, who reasonably calm and order. The Buddha is broken and Davies is asked to leave a disturbance to the harmony. So you can interpret it in different ways as well. There are other symbols in the play as well that can be interpreted, but these are the major symbols that we discussed in the video. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.